Recently in IBC, Tilta just announced a modification to your Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K or 6K, which will allow you to add a flip-up screen to the back. Hey, didn't we cover something like this already?
Yeah.
Yo, this seemed a lot like what we shot and talked about in our last video, but hey, see if you can find the clip. Just stay tuned. We're going to talk about it. Stay tuned. So, apparently Tilta has decided to offer a flip-up screen all of a sudden, very similar to the one we talked about in this video, which I'll post right here. It's a little weird because it's exactly the same idea, like part for part, piece for piece. Even the addition of adding the SSD cards right behind the screen, just everything. Like, they just took everything. I don't know if they paid the guy. I don't know if they just stole the idea, but it is a complete ripoff. I mean, even in the video that Cinema 5D has, which I'll post in the description, I chuckle when he says like, yo, our engineers worked hard. Yeah, I bet you did, fabricating this guy's idea. It's funny because in the video a lot of people were like, I don't trust this guy. This seems shady. I kind of hinted at, if B&H did this, would you be down? If Adorama did this, would you be down? And I think Tilta is like, hey, if we put our name on this crap, we can sell a lot of these kits. They're saying the kits are going to be like $329. You can do it yourself from home. This is just, I don't know. I'm just saying, at least be honest about it. Be like, hey, we got this idea. We bought it from this guy, whatever. But they're like, our engineers went hard at work to come up with this design. Yeah, okay. Man, both companies are in China, so hey, that could possibly be some type of relationship. I don't know. I'm just saying. It's just weird to me, that they would take something that's already out and slap their name on it and say, hey, we're going to offer this to you. I wonder how Blackmagic feel. They wouldn't comment on whether or not it would void your warranty, but I'm probably 100% sure it will void your warranty. You're opening up the camera, you're probably going to void your warranty. The screen still doesn't flip to display whatever you're trying to show when you flip the screen upside down, which I can understand why it wouldn't come with the original software. However, Tilta may have the power to get Blackmagic to respond to that. I don't know, but it's kind of weird to me. I'll post a link in the description to the whole article and let you check it out. Also, at the end of this video, I'll post a link to the original video that I did, because the information is pretty much the same. Instead of some guy in China doing it, now Tilta will send you the kit so that you can tear up your camera. Replace your screen yourself. So that way they're not responsible for you killing yourself for a flip-up screen. Spoiler alert, just buy a freaking monitor, man. It's $99. Buy a monitor. All right, guys. If you just want to talk about this in the comments, because I can't wait for these comments. Hey, man, post them below. Hit that thumbs up button. Share this with your friends who are they think this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. And I will see you guys in the next video.